Hey there! Are you staring at a blank screen and wondering how to fix JVC TV no picture? You're not alone, and you're in the right place. A JVC TV without a picture can be frustrating, especially when you're ready to relax with your favorite show. But fear not, this guide will walk you through several steps to help you get back to a clear, vibrant display in no time. Step 1. Check connections. Before diving into technical fixes, let's start with the basics. First, ensure all cables and connections are secure. Unplug the TV from the power outlet, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Check the HDMI or other input connections to ensure they're firmly connected. Sometimes a loose cable can cause the picture to disappear, so it's worth double checking. Step 2. Examine source settings. Next, verify that your TV is set to the correct input source. Use your remote control or the buttons on your TV to cycle through the input sources. Your JVC TV might be set to the wrong input, leading to a blank screen. Once you've found the right input, if the picture doesn't appear, move on to the next step. Step 3. Reset TV settings. A factory reset can often resolve screen issues by restoring settings to their default configuration. To do this, press the menu button on your remote and navigate to the settings menu. Look for the reset or factory reset option. Keep in mind that this will revert all settings, so you may need to reconfigure your TV preferences after the reset. This step can help clear up any software glitches causing the no picture problem. Step 4. Test with alternate devices. If your TV is still not showing a picture, try connecting a different device. Use a gaming console, DVD player, or another HDMI source to see if the issue persists. If the alternate device displays properly, the problem might be with your original input device. However, if there's still no picture, the issue likely resides with the TV itself. Step 5. Inspect for backlight issues. A common reason for no picture on a JVC TV can be a backlight failure. To test this, turn on your TV in a dark room and shine a flashlight on the screen. If you see a faint image, your TV's backlight may be the problem. Unfortunately, repairing a backlight often requires professional help, so consider contacting JVC support or a local technician if this is the case. Step 6. Contact JVC support. If you've exhausted all these steps and your TV still shows no picture, it's time to reach out to JVC customer support. They can provide further assistance and may offer repair options. Be ready with your TV model number and details about the issue to help them diagnose the problem efficiently. So there you have it, a detailed guide on how to fix JVC TV no picture. From checking your connections to resetting your TV settings and contacting support, these steps cover a wide range of solutions. While it can be frustrating to deal with a blank screen, walking through these troubleshooting steps can often resolve the issue. Remember, always prioritize safety when handling electronic devices, and don't hesitate to seek professional assistance if needed. Here's to hoping your TV is back to displaying beautiful images in no time.